Why? One was your baloye fellow gender work be. Eh? One low your mommy single guy. I will okay, maybe you don't know the wife, you are not familiar with it. The wife, both of them are on social media. These people don't hide their family, they don't hide their relationship. They are there on the media. Okay? True thing and thick, they did there. Bad and good, they did there. Together, when you can see the bear de lege. Eh? And Enogie na eringe. Uma fall in love. Ojano hey by my man now. You were not there. But now today, Enogie I don't robust, don't fresh, don't fine. Etiohu no. Etiohu no. Even though the cuteness fed the inside, but you need empowerment to come out. Oh, you walk by no radio who you are, or now you boy at Dolohoniji. When you see the woman, you say, wow. That is what marriage is all about. But you now, when this person did dirty, you know, carry on, fall in love, sojo. Now that another man has brushed this woman up, even we had the way you are my spec, you are my kind of woman, you are this. Mommy, we worry about Saloba. You're gonna be in soup in God's hand. All these women, una wala too much for this place, oh. Una wala too much. Una wala too much. We yan wo denakala or logonala. Every when ya. It's not your ex. You don't know him before. Immediately, I feel comfortable to approach a man first. Hey God, how you take do it? How not take they do? How not take get you just test a man, say hi, I like you. I beg, who don't toast man for year before? If you're on the comment section, come tell me how you take toast man. Not to talk of person man. Here Salobo, I don't want you jodo. They say just 2 months. What does that mean, Mama? Just 2 months for what? Okay, 2 months where don't start to the follow on. Abi where don't start to the gift time. It's very easy. NJ, you NJ be like say you be suspect. So you don't toast man before. How? You not go shame. You know shy say if this man turn you down, how it go be? Just get money. Okay, you go wallow. Oh, Kori Gada. 2 months of gifts. Any bunolo. 2 months ni again any mana zero we gift no mune. Oh, it go reach 5,000, go reach 3,000. Lion, you know how much for one lion? Sometimes you give her 3, 4, 5 a day. Eh? In that 2 months, you should not spend money. If you spend reach 5K or more than that. But when also you're not sick or I know €5, but now where I not get where you see me I see the money. I really gift equal with Turkey just because he get mission. Now what for some women, oh my sister? Now what? A blame me a 14-year Enogie of a Bologbe. Enogie should be blamed for 30%, not even 40%. These women, this kind of women, they are 70%. 70. If now single girl now say okay, no, I not go even talk say what there you want chop and even single girl. So I say this man is married for crying out loud. You know his wife. Why so wicked the be? Even while the marriage man as Catania do bounjo. Have No, I'm not saying Oga Amani. I'm not saying it's a crime to toast a man. I say people where they do and they try. Not be all women go gather courage go toast man now. Not be all women go fit do, and that's why I say that they try not to talk of person man. If you want a single guy we never even marry, not get serious dates, if they had not talk of person we get wife for us. You don't know whether a wife they don't know whether the phone when one write that message put whether a wife they wife hand. Now that area they talk even where you get bros like say they toast you well. It not be like that because now some of now way they hide phone now easy. Some men not they hide phone no. They drop their phone anyhow and their women get access to the phone. Now that area they look. Don't be saying na crime. Mrs. Ugbo, you're welcome. Although busy betting me na day man you do him and you understand. That's why I came to open my own. Make I talk in my mind. But I know not beside the saga you, I know the saga, but I analyze, I want just analyze a little bit. And the way people they want to channel the matter, go they give your wife, clear. You understand? Not be your wife doing, not be your wife carry the matter. Nora mo ade media. No gyoto boy be audio, yoto boy mo ade media. Our Vasabia wati ye noraria wawela wa no matter what nobody is perfect. That's not nice. That's not nice. Cause your muela dia. To worry on a do hame public where our we kuhove no. No, not be like that it happen. You understand? Not be like that. If my wife are gisting the platform, we were just gisting manado ate even madam the audio the kiss where you say one kissing and you want scream for another woman's husband and you are a married woman. Let's be honest here. If this woman has ever confessed the way he has been confessing to Enogie to her husband, do you think their marriage will have issue? Let's be honest. The way she was confessing to another man, if she confessed like that to her own husband, tell me the reason why her husband will not do better in any area she's complaining of. Mrs. Ugbo, you're welcome, Mama. You comfortably lie down, the lowest volume of your voice. You dey use and confess your feelings to another man, married man. To a married man, without having the fear of the wife might be there, without having the fear the wife might have access to the phone, without having the fear of anything. As a married woman, you comfortably use the lowest of your voice to start approaching this man. And when you want to talk to the man that married you at home, a voice is where I am that. Everyone behave. Though they hear your voice for junction, but you lower your voice. You can't respect your husband. You people are loyal to another man outside, but you are not loyal to your husband. So that made the feel say una be better person. I think so, Jennifer. You are right. I don't think it's the first time. I don't think it's the first time. Some people they say your husband in Nigeria. Yo, your husband in Nigeria. Oh. The husband dey Kafashan. The husband dey Abuja. Anywhere with the husband dey. He dey Costa Rica, be now waiting the color. Australia, anywhere the husband dey. Is that how we are to judge this matter? Does it matter? Is she the one that started long distance? Men got married in Nigeria. They left their wife. They traveled abroad. They came back for the women. Not be women be that way. Stay faithfully. They waited for their husband. Are they not human being? Ekinaya feel where you are any him for you to say the man de Nigeria now. And so what the first sign no say na Nigeria the man de. If you know say you no fit do distance relationship, why you pull hand? As you pull hand, you say and say no easy. Why you not quit? You go quit. You marry man with Nigeria. You come abroad. You say and say you no fit a girl te why to marry it. Who have a man we agree. A distance now, handle get separate. I separate. I have a good job. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna be painful, but it's better than this in your way. It's better than this in your way. Some of you will pretend. You people pretend a lot. One side. You people will belittle your husband at home. You disrespect your husband at home. Like say tomorrow, not day, because another man dey your eye. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. For you to just tell this man, say, I no fit again, I'm done in this relationship. Why do I go anyhow? Why I feel it? Why I roving? Why I misbehave? The man, either made the man beat you or made the man come out by himself. Why can't you just live by yourself peacefully without putting the man for trouble? Why can't you live? Why can't you live without putting this innocent man in trouble? Not that I'm supporting some men in their action. I've said this several times. When I was pregnant, and a Yoruba man approached me for more. He approached me with belle. The eye where I felt a look alone. He won't tell me, say this is Canada. He said this is Canada. Not everybody with pregnancy or with child that are married. That's why I'm this. Now I tell and say, before I open my eye, if you don't vanish from my front, I will call the cops on you and I will press charges. They told Magele Barivani, eat the total, and I will call emergency and he will go for it. I will call emergency because you saw a woman with pregnancy. You see, they say, hi, baby, hi, beautiful. I will make their video. Some of them are like that. But not to talk of you by yourself as a married woman. You just waka you just go to one man DM, married man, you just reach DM, you just start to the type for the DM. They tell her, they only might say, una keva kpona ari WhatsApp, pen, wapin recording, una wa low voice way to the lowest. Una wa so confess. Aye, they told me on in Nigeria. The person involved, maybe the man here what we in Nigeria now with me on my door. Who knows? Hell, now wow. Now wow. Be so very cheap it better me. I understand. Some of you if you be serious, why we are sending the voice again or we in Nigeria? Why we low a voice again? Nigeria not fit you. You are a person like you supposed to be in abroad. On a promise heaven ahead. Only now I go back bono. Only we work. If you come home we see. If you come home we did this. Or we come home in Enya. Or more copy your name. Ona doing wood the river. Or ma quit. Ona hang go where in Nigeria would do. You know do a DM married man baby mana. So back my own married people know deal with. Even single guys know deal with. As a married woman. It is a shame and disgrace. People like you are the ones standing the right of the innocent, responsible women who are kindly in their husband's house. People like you. People like you are the one bringing disrespect. Now one single mother misbehave will make today if they want to talk about single mother, they will use and rob every innocent single mother. Even why we know you are not a cheap man. Some of you are cheap. Edame what cheap is say? What cheap is say? Imagine me no why we nuna a platform here na like in here rob who. Yeah, was when they will just start saying that which they call her. They will not specific just go to this particular person. They will start insulting married women anytime soon. That's what they're gonna be do. All those one will not get sense for his side. Tia was one robi who na what the yan was one robi na because one person will not know himself. Jennifer, you're welcome. Sola, you're welcome, man.
I greet you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning from my side.
Good afternoon here.
And I'm
See,
only for your side.
yeah,
Same.
now most even for our side, this side. I did journey here. As me na me be share, I should just come out yesterday or today. If na me be share, I will just say, not be ordinary eye. I don't know as I tell go into the you know,
Photo.
if
Mama,
if na me,
which one be
I
not
go
be everything now I
I
don't
go
give
till
juju, not be
if na
ordinary
me
eye.
that
Which eye
guys
can be?
as a married woman wey she claim say she be and say make that shame not to catch me because her mother dey London there with her so if na me I just dey make example and that all this kind of stupid thing no fit happen
But
to
from the look of things, according to the videos
Salisa,
I don't see
I bet
about
wait,
Mama
let
Nolo.
Mona
make
wait one by
one
one.
after
Wait,
one
Mage
after
Jennifer
the other.
Chunela, or you go answer and one after the
Yeah.
other so that it go
If
dey in
na
order.
me
Mommy Bella, welcome, Mama.
if na me you know say everybody dey believe say enoge they dey use juju they no dey use juju iwa oboeka
na photo.
I no know as it take happen my eye don clear as my eye clear na come tell am say no I don't want to come to your platform anymore because it's true they say she tell enoge say she no wan come to enoge platform again. If na me all these things go happen I go say I no na make am say I no wan come to a platform because you might know your movement than for her to be playing some song today say sorry if that Ghana boy mean say if you never make mistake raise your hand in the air she dey play the song today I just dey
Because
shame on her.
I like the fact that she admits say she wrong. Where she admitted.
Yeah, because
But
because because you know say because she no come get choice because evidence there she must admit
No
she
be
no
no
come
be
get
that.
choice.
Otanimiano, why Gugio, sister Jennifer Gugio.
Yeah.
The man, so he paid the woman bride price or not just baby mama.
We be say you get for house. Which man? The man will be saying there with but she said but for me she
no,
said she
no,
get she,
Mommy
for
Jennifer, no
Nigeria.
vex. It be like na the lady she dey ask, the lady in
No,
question,
we don't know the
whether they
man
put
husband.
money for
We
her
don't know
head. We
anything. We
don't
don't know
know whether
anything
he put
about the
money,
man.
not put money.
Now she
We
they
don't
say
know.
she say even na no get man we for no say na married woman say your husband dey Nigeria. She never ask talk am for am. The only place where we say me don't hear am for her mouth. Make she know say this woman no be only enoge she won't call knack for Germany. She dey knack or knackable for London then.
No be
Where
no be that.
the day wey be say one day we say I watch I live something for this year as a married woman you know I can't lie but just say your head no your day stable now you're the miss you never knack she say she's October or name it last year now she your knack reach she never knack she never me now say which kind talk be all this one she never knack just get as her body dey do her body just that hormone everything just dey right you come dey talk about all those things. So all those things now, she they
She
give
go
other
knock dog
men chance
now.
to come into her life. And secondly, she they talk about something and some another thing will be say Enogie say accuse her for yesterday say lesbian. She still talk about the lesbian thing for our platform. Will be say one girl from I don't know whether na South Africa or the girl but the girl they speak like Nigeria pidgin English. The thing it won't be like toasting for them that day. Now so she go to say you don't love me. The guy go say I love you. I love you. She go say she will tell the guy say don't worry. It's just a hotel. I will book a hotel for you. You will spend 7 days, maybe 1,500 euros. Now so she get the money to dey spend for other people. Pikin dey Nigeria, you dey here. Now so she get the money to dey spend for other people. Because nice make Enogie accuse her
In
yesterday
fact,
say
thank
she
you
be
so much,
international.
sir.
She be
When say
international
daddy,
lesbian
thank you
too.
so much. I
So,
appreciate.
but for the thing, she just use the gift take come into Enoge life. She don't already dey fall for
Yeah,
Enoge
we
long
lion
time.
or throw away, bye. Have you?
Not be small lion o.
The Lion Queen,
Get
Mama.
to
It's
Oh,
really how the
man.
Lion
Enogia
Queen.
wa big game,
Ting
yeah.
mommy kia.
Sister
Ting
I
Lisa,
mommy
tell
kia la ya
you.
mommy
Enogi,
kia.
Sister Lisa, Enogia wa big game. Any lion we me where we get him. A lion two, even no
All
back
two
to ever.
That's
Oh, you
even
like ya mommy
two.
kia.
Or
It's
two.
really how the Lion Queen,
This
Mama.
All
You
two
say
even
like
lion,
this.
all those universe, in it to ever.
Oh, you like ya mommy kia.
fish have henny. Yeah, two.
After the
ya
whole lion queen
kia.
of one
Even no
Lisa.
self well, Viana me, then you go, a job in here, where you ever say, I found what ya him on 5:30 again, not last year.
Makara.
Ya king on that day or like ya night shift, like ya afternoon shift, like make a no say, they're going to have here.
Imunanga ni minia.
Not be by mama, not be by daily job, but why I make it go show. People they know how they get their money. Not be by even a daily job, they suffer on ya. Hey.
Wamuziao,
So
from the look of things, and in my observe from a live video or nigga watching by the live or not, we here Nora, or every man who do a man or you know, because you know, yeah, go
yeah, mama, a storyline. Sorry, you know, right from when I watched her yesterday, I couldn't feel say she did aware before the husband start to play that.
even me too. Because when
Yes,
they
now
talk
what I
about
could
it,
think.
we
I
go
can say she
post
try
we go do
you
this
know.
one.
We
He can't trust my husband.
because
Because he say she
you
know.
know say some women they like that. Their husband they show all the women with they you know. But now today she come when she even climb up where I did there, I come to her and say, you know right, they try you.
Being stretcher, climb
me,
up, climb up.
as I hear her and say I be say now she
People
come
tell me
tell me
now.
say she don't know say as
Me
we
surprised when
hear
I say
her.
me come
That's
say
so
she
she
not
hear
know.
her.
Because
The
the way
thing
she come to
shock
the
me.
talk.
The thing
And
shocks
when
me.
I
She
come to
still
the
try,
observe, he say,
even though na that day she still hear that, but she still try to compose herself. If na Mama
Mama,
Nora
what
what
me
we
call
know
the
before,
observe, he
if
say,
na Mama Nora what we know
he be
before, we
like
know say
say,
this matter don't turn to she and her husband. But
if
the way
I
she take the
know you
handle
not
her
know
now
say this thing
is the
go
best.
escalate like this. Now so me come to the
See,
observer
sister,
so.
listen, this one will become example for the rest. You go surprise them. You go surprise them. And I call open many people and I say, see what they happen.
For me, I
Na
believe say
many.
if I know you don't know say this thing go escalate like this. If you want use that say draw the woman leg come outside, but the way the matter come dey go now, you come dey see and say he himself still get fault and error for inside this whole thing. So
Okay,
you
it be like say that girl, if he send message finish, they delete her side based on married woman. But person we go get the full side. Now I know they supposed get their two side. I don't get no. My play already my. Oh, I what play
The
already, but
photo.
me my
I'll
okay.
play already,
I know.
I'll play already.
I know yeah that
He
part.
play inside where he call the tell the girl say
I
when he call
love
the
you.
tell the girl
They say
say
I love you,
I
I love
love
you.
you, I love you if I dey sleep, I dey see you for my
No be
dream.
no be other player.
Inya give my wa.
Una go
He
dey
say if
do.
he dey sleep, he dey see
If
the
I
girl for
don't
his
over
dream.
here,
He play inside
Talk
too.
am say
He
you
play.
no go fit deny, you no go fit deny say you
He
love
say I
you
cannot deny the
love you.
fact that I love you so much. Even when I'm sleeping, I
see
see you in my
love.
dreams and all those things, you know. He play inside
He
too.
say
He
he
play.
say he
But
say he say
A
may
lion
they
with
he
may
her.
say
they
A
drag her.
lion.
you see the woman na knife na the woman they hold it they chase the mama Lord
They
and knife.
chase the wife, they go for dream.
Ah. Wow,
May
some
I tell you
married women.
something?
That's why I ask say, how
When if I no
woman
get
go
that
just sit
start,
down, eh? You go just test a man. How you take toast? I don't some married
Mama
women.
Lisa wait, Mama
What?
Lisa wait.
No.
The time when this thing they go on and when if I don't get call it threaten this woman, say if I ever see you send one rose like phone. Now I say no, say
Everywhere bust.
everywhere. Any room where you know, the woman fuck up and big time. She fuck up. She fuck up. Okay, since you know, so okay, you
Hey,
get this kind of
money.
secret with this kind of person when they do social media. Why you go allow the thing reach this kind of extent? Remember, no, why I call Lelawa, not be lie. Oh.
No, maybe he trust the guy, not believe say he go bring that
For
kind of thing
me,
for
for
No,
me,
him.
as you
for
don't see
me.
say don't they threaten you like this. Say if
No,
I see say you post, you send gift to anybody. If not me, oh, Iwa Lelawa, you
the
know.
girl the late this complete
But why no girl go say me no send gift to anybody? Now in the working money. I beg more serious in
And
that
I
part.
get the OTT stuff
say
so now.
the girl be wants to do the thing make the thing will pay Enogie now the girl go they
No,
give
for you
Godfather.
when no okay, your secret
Now go
get
they
this
give
person hand.
Godfather. Godfather,
Disgraceful
why?
secret like
Because
this
you know
wey
say
be
that the
say
I no get the quarry. So
disgraceful
now he
secret
do
like
all
this
this
wey be say
nonsense.
if it spoil your home, if it dent your reputation for the society. You know, say this person, a social media person, this person can do undo, this person can go to any length to make sure say he drag you reach
More will listen to our power.
even your own family members go dey shame for you. You are not supposed to allow this situation to get to this extent. And so long you know say this person get evidence against you. Evidence against you. Evidence against you. Contribute the goal
Wrong.
so that
No,
you
no,
are
wrong.
as the thing is so embarrassing for real. It is so embarrassing.
You see what happens, so it good. The man wrong, the woman wrong. You not fit threaten her with if I see you, give everybody money, make the girl run enter house, go come for media. That means every time it will be a threat.
Go be threat. That one
be
not
like this, so
good.
it don't finish. It don't finish. Not today again. What the girl did is wrong, totally wrong. If she's married, she did that. That is abomination. That is bad. You as a man, when you say get husband, when you go to talk to her because of you go to take Ola, maybe they spray you. So if you go smell that person that you don't threaten that, you too, you are wrong.
You are wrong.
too
Give me
wrong.
what we on now. They regulate where
So
you
if you not just run away from the fact of say maybe fear or favor, we should just make the thing clear. Where everybody for go wrong, we let everybody know. Let's say the man don't say he married. If the man don't say he married, say okay, if me and you get one thing, my person they call a good spray him. I can't threaten you for life. If you spray him, I go to this secret. That means I make you a subject of me. I will tell you where you want to sit down, where you want to sit down, where you want to stand, where you not stand. I need to control you. Now I'm controlling you. So you go spray somebody now. I can't lick and I say lick and today, lick and tomorrow. If you 2 months now, 1 month after the other thing, on top. You know, something done again. When I'm going to fear you.
You know,
I will free my own. I mean, I want to
too
do
much
family.
1 week, everybody does still move on.
And so why must I be the hide? They go forever, ever. Make a right out because you get my secret. I just come for media for you. The media made for you. But if the boy don't say the man get a woman, he go to talk to her, it's wrong. If the woman don't say really say he married, say they pay money for her hair, say she married, let me say born for man, they live her life, he go to talk to a man, go to lament for a man
She's
like
wrong.
that, say sleep well, the way they talk to him, this and that. Then the woman too, she's a big
But you
disgrace to
listen the
womanhood.
audio.
But the woman sabi
And the
enough,
yesterday,
they not talk. Only
Una
your
But you
man
never
will
see
not
the
be.
audio.
at the end of yesterday, meet them when no get the plan one by one, when no
Again,
place.
Baby, I cannot sleep.
And
They
their
will
wife
call
even
her
tell her say,
daddy.
your wife even tell her say, so this kind of thing they happen. Now road is for good they talk to, now road for even good they talk to the girl. For road. So if you saw the guy is totally wrong and it's a disgrace to womanhood, and that woman need the family of the man need to call the woman to order. And I mean, according to what they talk, they say the first one before whatever. So if you so they have to let the woman be, or they leave the woman for the house for their picking. Maybe they don't do what they do for the woman. If they do anything you want to know for their son, and they know that one are their own responsibility. But if you the man no say you get underline that word, if you know say you the man, no say get husband, go the front, they make love for back. You two are a disgrace to man. You don't even want to call a man. Let's call a spade.
Unless you don't really know.
I don't
Wetin
think, yeah.
affect your now.
If you know,
If you no get there, aware say that
But
woman.
from the beginning, when that woman they
It's
come
wrong.
that live video from the let's be sincere, from the beginning, when that woman done a gift for that live video, it has always been clear. Say she's a married woman. She's a married woman. Even she's a married woman. Even
you know
that
where
she's
you
a
talk
married
say,
woman.
right for the first time you enter the place, it's a married woman. No, so that means
Yes,
our
that's
brother is
always been
wrong.
clear.
So
They
the
always
both of
been
them are
talking
wrong.
say she be married woman now.
The both of them are wrong. If you want to do not do somebody else. If you like the woman, who
But
write
the
you.
woman not say she be married woman. Now I no get mad. Now everybody for here and say the woman a married woman. Now I no get mad.
Because on 12 then they talk now. So okay, if me and you know they talk, come here, just go look at us,
For
be married
me,
woman. Me know your
for
status.
me, I believe say the woman when you just say she be married woman just to pull that
Iya
respect.
introduce Ekpe and before yan kesu ni yawo.
say she be married woman.
Don't introduce
Mama,
yourself first.
she don't born, but I don't feel say she dey husband house.
Mama Jennifer,
Maybe now this kind
see.
adultery na still make her come up for that your husband house come.
Mama Jennifer, we don't need to come paint her now. Say na the man to come, the woman to come. If me, you don't know me, I don't know you. I don't fit talk whether you are married or not married.
Yeah.
Don't fit come in and say you are a married woman. If me, you don't know. Me, you never talk. So we don't come the arranger here. I don't say many of us or many of us the fear maybe spend.
No, Jennifer, you said you man not to say she be married woman. She thought and say she be married woman. No. You get one day when Enogie they do live video, and I don't forget what say Enogie talk. She comes to say la oh, when the comes to say that they find her sis a bit yari okpa, you know, with joke. She comes to say la oh, the mawa your megbe or what the jail. She talk her now. Yes, she talk and say she be married. That word signifies that she's a married woman. What the jail, you know, it signifies that she be married woman.
Still,
So from there,
this
everybody
woman,
for the platform
she not get shame. She not still get shame. If she get shame, she for not come live yesterday and this morning. She for your mute. Nobody will hear from her. Maybe she will your right. If Nami or you post audio, say I'm very busy at the moment. I'm at work. Not let me see.
Mama Jennifer, we calm down because we are tired now. We your man on experience. Mother, you wait. Oh, man, wait. Mama Jennifer, know what happen. It be like saying na juju. It be like, Mama, I have video. Okay. Juju, me yamune juju.
Now make her talk like that.
No matter the shame, me yamune juju. Exactly. And that time I'm boy, me koye juju ga worry yen. That koye juju ga worry yen. That nine koye juju ga worry yen. That nine not the talk again. Ian do a different day when I juju. That one me no.
Nothing like juju for them. Nothing like juju.
Nothing like
no. And at the consequences that she collect for social media. Our pictures are everywhere. Facebook or TikTok.
Also now when we time mama because even so, immediately
the consequences of you as a married woman who are that's there. I don't know.
No, we are with juju. And I am going to go like better now. Where I be?
The consequences were not here.
No, don't do that.
Modia sister Lisa, even me understanding the man is that. Ekene a man in a got prophesy where you why we love it the woman I see you in my dream and all those things. Yen to be yen my hand beggar near ya prophesy and yen my hand walk on your word of Asia.
They don't answer no.
I may know now because the
why we didn't know who because then no now may believe where maybe or show na so the woman was just like women
mama na that area we don't know so that's why they say if Enogie they are aware from the beginning of their conversation say this woman they husband Enogie has blame. But if he really don't know or magele or wago
that one another thing.
Only what different. Only if I'm only my clear now. So Enogie has to come to life so that if fans go ask and say, you know, say a married woman be you know.
According to Enogie, he said the woman denied his husband to run. He tell us say na baby father he gets. I don't watch that.
The man refused to sign.
Yes, but me they tell that for the beginning when that woman entered that community. When they watch Enogie, it has always been known that she's a married woman. So when she come be I don't understand.
Nobody near more the conference of their family, the husband family. Okay, I mean, this woman told me that she's a married woman.
Bliss is a married woman.
Okay, I see what matter me.
Ha, where we are going?
You know, I see. Okay, I don't know. Okay, me and I will be here. I ballet cam get boy, balloon get before. Not by what I don't know on your sipa. On your no sipa.
Yeah.
Wow.
But secondly, here at first, hear about what I wear. She's married, but later me validating eh. You know, prove my no get where you hear don't look bad no get. Oh no, what I promise a boyfriend we are don't look bad.
Some people know they take marriage
Eh?
like serious. No, how many talk like that?
When you have vieva na vieva,
The man don't
I
know.
promise a boyfriend where I will born twins for you.
And no roba bien, no roba bien for people. We
But
say
every no one is sana eh. When we saw ya we open no one go to shower.
Oro wodo. That is about that is when that is money here. Ni mabawa that is here what bataya can we maybe or modo for me all in my believe you.
why agree we were yapping. And we bona if we money boom in yaro wodo in wa claim we are married.
I'm married. Yeah.
It's so what they ringaboki. In what he bring up in that fleet in that way Facebook ringaboki. Why you not seen what Okoni will come out like on social media be saying that you are married, but secretly Okona married very mega.
Mo Bliss na or the Germany or I thought the Germany or na me media ije Lord I or what yeah right. Because me you I love you, man Laura. I love you, I do love you. I thought the Germany I dey maybe nya me go be party on na me media Okoni right or wa we support no no what many e wa lao.
Akpiko garia mekwa yo biere.
Oh. Take work gele mu mesha anytime no ne man why ya like said me ya wa bege te me man that me na o be Germany me je na o pe wo foro kwa yen of friend boy okpo that te na me ke mi o me ne kakabo face to face
Eto wa
omeha or be no kwabega ni kwiko before ke do broke their last na that's eragi gugu the man na mo yo
like we Adam, when you talk one point where I want to address where ihoni bun ya de ringi your boy and from a married woman, but here I am ihoni ro wodo buto nyime no gba.
Thank you.
That is not, it doesn't make sense. Oh again na ro wodo on claim we ro wodo all this why. Emi no gba because here so arobi hoban they ain't going to talk to one person.
Thank you.
They're going to generalize it. We honiro word of the yeah, Maya, wana. It's very bad. So any woman ero word on do anyunyi me dona claim me ero word o ke na mo aburu is a bad character. Me no ba. Sorry, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah,
now I one by one. If anybody wants to talk, we'll listen to each other beg one by one.
Well, silly Sabiwa, very intelligent. Wayabiwa wakoyo. Wabiwa. Oh, maybe I'm the conception. We only marry word. But I went to check her video. There was a video she did not too long ago, and she was questioning married women who live away from their husbands, how they are able to cope. And she said the last time she probably slept with her husband was in August, and that as she speaks, she's on fire. You know. So I had the same conception.